Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will walk you through on how to get TopStep promo codes in 2026. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open Google Chrome on your device. Search for Simply Codes website. Here you can find top discount coupons just by scrolling through the site. Tap on the coupon with the discount you want to get the promo code. Copy the code and paste in TopStep to get your discount. You can also visit Mundo Forex website to get top coupons. Scroll down to find available promo codes on the site. You can also get promo codes from the TopStep official website, which offers huge discount coupons. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and see you next time.